Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will set the error message. So after the input, we will take a span tag and here we will write class name, which is equal to form text and text danger. And inside this span tag, we will take JavaScript expression and here we will write errors dot username and touch dot username. This is all coming from here errors touch, okay? And again, and errors dot username. Okay, let's save this and now let's check it in the browser. Okay, so here you can see username should be between 6 and 15 character. Okay, now it is the error message is gone and now username is required. Okay, so it is showing username is required. If I type something which is less than 6 characters, it will say username should be between 6 and 15 characters. Okay, now let's copy the span and put it in all the inputs. Okay, this will be email. Then again, for password, we need to copy this and confirm password. Okay, let's save this. Before we check everything, let's add the button. So inside this form tag, we will take a div with a class name, which is equal to btn group. Okay, inside this, we will add buttons. So button and class name, which will be btn primary, and type will be submit and disable, which is equal to is submitting. Okay, now here we need to write submit. Let's save this and now we need one more button for reset. So button and here we write disable, which is equal to not dirty. Okay, then we have on click, which is equal to handle click, type, which is equal to button, class name, which is equal to btn danger. Let's close this button and here we will write reset. Let's save this file and let's see in the browser. If submitting is not defined, handle click is not defined. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code. If submitting is not defined, so this should be handle reset and we need to copy this is submitting and here we need to paste it. Okay, so this is it. Now let's check it in the browser so we can see the buttons. Okay, now we will display this message here. So let's go to the Visual Studio Code and we will copy it from here. So let's copy this, close this, and in the form tag we will paste it. Okay, and here username is capital N and this is confirm password. Let's save this and let's go to the browser. Now you can see this messages, but we can't display it. So for that we need to go to Visual Studio Code and inside set timeout. Okay, so here we will write this dot set state and inside this we will write user name, which is equal to values dot user name, email, which is equal to values dot email. Password values dot password. Confirm password values dot confirm password. Okay, let's save this. And now let's check it in the browser. So here if I type something, username, okay, let's check all the validation. So username is required. So now username should be between 6 and 15. It is done. Now email is required. So email. Now right now it is invalid, showing invalid email address. Now it is valid. Password is required. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, password does not match. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now it is matching. So here I have wrote username that we will change. Let's submit. Now you can see username, email, password, and confirm password. Okay. And now what about reset? Okay. So if I write something here and if I reset, it will reset. Okay. So this is also working. Let's check everything. Password does not match. If I reset, everything will be reset. Now let's change this username to confirm password. So this one is the last one. So confirm password. Save this and let's go to the browser. So now it is confirm password. So now everything is working fine. So this is it. We have completed uh, our form using Formic, and yep, you can just feel free to explore more by going through the documentation of Formic. Okay, Formic documentation. So here is the Formic documentation. You can just go through it. There are a lot of things you can just explore it. So this is it for this video, and I hope you like this video. And in the next lecture, we will work on React hooks forms. Okay, we'll create a form using React hooks. Uh, so if you like this video, please like, share, and comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.